story about a little girl who lived in a small town. The girl loved writing stories very much. At the age of 6, she started writing stories, and her first story was about a rabbit, and the name of the story was again Rabbit. She shared the story with her mother, and her mother appreciated for all her efforts and encouraged her little daughter to write more. This girl was a type of little shy and unsociable girl. So she was very shy, but she lived in a world of fantasy. She used to write all her fantasy thinking into her little notebooks. At the age of 15, her grandmother, who was very close to her, died. Always, misfortunes in life never come alone, right? So what happened is her dad left her mother, and her mother at the same moment was affected by a disease which is a brain disabling disease. It was the greatest shock to her. After a few days later, her condition got worse by worse, and she left her mother passed away. Years later, she came across an advertisement in a local newspaper where she was able to see an advertisement for an English teacher in Portugal. The girl thought this is the right time for her to start a new life with a new job, so she decided to go to Portugal. She reached Portugal, and there she met a TV journalist, and that guy and this girl had a common interest on an English novelist named Jane Austen. So this both started spending time together, and a year later they loved each other and they happily married. And after that, again a year later, they were blessed with a little daughter. But here her life again took a small twist. Because of domestic abuse, her husband drove her out of the house. She left that country with a little daughter, and as a single parent and unemployed mother who is surviving only because of state benefits, took her child and lived there in the city. She was not even able to pay her rent, and which was sometimes being paid by her friends. So she never used to have food during many of the days because she thought that her little daughter can have some more food if she doesn't have food. So days passed away, and at one point of time she felt that she is a complete failure, and she was completely depressed. She thought she felt she has no hope to survive. So what she thought is she decided to quit her life. But her little daughter at that moment inspired her to live. So what she thought is whatever she can do best, that she will be able to do. She decided to write fantasy novels again, which she written in her smaller age. When her child had a nap, she used to go to the nearby cafe, order a cup of coffee, and started writing stories. She would never have money to order food, but anyway she had to order a coffee, else the cafe owner will send her out. In this way, she completed the first 3 chapters of her beautiful novel. Now, she sent this story to publishing company, but unfortunately a story was not selected. It was being rejected. The similar way, she sent her story to almost 12 publishing companies, but all came up with full of rejection letters, and her mailbox was completely full of rejection letters. Now finally that day arrived when a company called Bloomsbury decided to sit and read her story. While the publisher and the editor was reading the story, fortunately or unfortunately, their little daughter was there, and she was very curious. She loved this first 3 chapters, and she was curious to learn the next chapters. So the publishing company decided to publish this story. Then later in 1997, this first 3 chapters got published with initial print run of 1,000 copies, and the title of this was Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Earlier it came up with only 1,000 copies, but when people started reading it and tasting her stories, the demand have risen dramatically. So what happened is, after 5 months, she received an award which is called Nestle Smartest Book Prize, and now the heroine of the story is J.K. Rowling. She, who was an unemployed, depressed single mother, now became the best-selling author in the worldwide, and also Her book was the best-selling books. Now, 7 series of Harry Potter got released and it almost have sold 450 million copies. Then later this became a movie and the franchise movie have collected nearly 8 billion. In 2004, Forbes magazine has released that the first person who became a billionaire by writing books was only J.K. Rowling. Years later, in 2011, despite of all this years, she became more wealthy. But even then, in 2011, she lost her billionaire status. Why? Because she donated most of her assets only to the charity. From this, we learn that hard work always does pay off something. However, she does not become a billionaire overnight. She had to pass through a lot of struggles in her life. She has never forgotten the hardship and pain that she came across these many years in her life. So, if we have a dream and we are keeping on getting rejected on this, please don't let that stop you. I would like to end this story by J.K. Rowling words itself. It is impossible to live without failing at something in life. This was told by her at Harvard commencement speech. Thank you for hearing and watching Storyteller. Thank you.